Today I'm going to show you 5 cheap or free things you can do to prevent your car or truck from being stolen. Don't let this happen to you.
Oh crap! How about no?
Number 1, remove the relay for the starter. It's free. Easiest way to find your relay is go to startmycar.com, click on your make, model, and then go find the fuse box diagrams. And then select your year. Then here, scroll them down, and if you want to know where your other pieces are, you can find that info here too. But right here, click on that, and it gives you a pop-up of what it is, and that's what the one you want to pull out for a Toyota Tacoma. The likelihood of a thief having a specific relay for a specific make and model and year of a vehicle is slim to none. So good luck starting that thing with it gone. It ain't happening. Tip number 2, install a battery kill switch. 37 bucks. And the great thing about this is it prevents your battery from being drained as well. So it does come with a remote, so if you turn it off, it means that your vehicle cannot be communicated with, it cannot start, it cannot do anything. So watch this. Lock it, turn it off. You ain't getting in, even with the Key FOB remote that's supposed to automatically unlock the door. Turn it back on, and you can get in. So the other thing is it has an automatic shutoff. If it gets below 11.8 volts, it will automatically turn it off, meaning all electricity in the vehicle is gone. So to be clear, if it's turned off, the vehicle will not start. You can't get in it if it's locked. It is completely disabled. Now they could break the glass, pop the hood open, and take that off. The time it would take to do that is greater than a minute, and thieves want to get in, get out. They'll just use another vehicle and move on. This battery kill switch will prevent a can attack. So what is a can attack? So it's an attack on the CAN bus or the controller area network. So it's essentially being able to trust one or electronically controlled unit to another. By pulling away the bump or expose the headlight connector, the thief can access the CAN bus, allowing them to send a forged key validation message. Once validated, the thief can start the car and drive off without an issue. Now this is being advertised as an emergency start device, but essentially what it is that it can talk to the CAN bus and it can unlock cars. So be aware of this. So the battery kill switch will prevent this, because an ECU is like any other computer that has no power, it's not doing anything. So keep this in mind as you review your options here. Tip number 3, prevent a relay attack with 2 options. So what's relay attack? Well, it's when a criminal is going around, snooping around, and trying to find a signal between your key fob and your vehicle. Because your key fob is always communicating to your vehicle. And they pick up on that, and they can gain access to your vehicle by making your vehicle think your key fob is the one who opened your door. Option 1, disable your key fob. It's free. Now this method is specifically for a Toyota Tacoma. Press and hold down the lock button, press the unlock twice, and the key fob is disabled. Simply unlock it and you get back in. Be sure to check your owner's manual for how you would do it on your make and model. Option 2, Faraday Bag, 11 bucks. It's easy, just drop the key fob down into the bag, close it up, and it will not transmit. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. Tip number 4, the OBD Protection, 25 bucks. I picked this up on Amazon. And essentially you slide it up over the OBD connector there. And then it has another piece to it that you put down on top, and it comes with a special Torx key you can put on your key ring, and you screw it on there. Now, why would we want to do this? Well, some thieves can use scanner tools to plug in and create themselves a key for your car if they're able to get in. So even if they break the glass, this is going to prevent them from doing that. Now, they might be able to pry this off, but it's going to take them longer than a minute to get it off. So they'll just move on to the next car. Tip number 5, tile or air tag, 20 bucks. So this is a credit card style tile that you can use with Android. You can see it's very slim, and what you can do is find a location. You could throw it in behind the dash, behind the head unit, inside the console, in your glove box, underneath the dash in it down there. I'll show you how easy it is to put it in a Tacoma. Just pop off your head unit, throw that in there. Good luck finding that. So what this is going to allow you to do, you're going to be able to locate where your tile is. So if somebody has managed to take off with your vehicle, you can use the tile app to locate your vehicle. You will know where it's at. So to recap, for your starter relay, free. Battery kill switch, 37 bucks. Prevent a relay attack by using your Key FOB, which is free, or a Faraday pouch, 11 bucks. OBD protector for 25 bucks, or a tile or air tag for $20 to $26. Thanks for joining me in this video. If you like this video, consider subscribing, sharing, liking, and hitting that notification bell. And be sure to check my next video. I think you'll like it. We'll see you next time.